Hello student. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 important questions from the solution topic for your CUET exam 2025. Now you see the first question. If the molality of the dilute solution is double, the value of the molar depression constant Kf will be. अब यहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट गलती करता है वो क्या करता है पहले वो समझ लीजिए. द स्टूडेंट विल से दैट कि ओके डेल्टा टी एफ इज इक्वल टू के एफ इंटू एम, के एफ इंटू एम, and then he will calculate the kf value is equal to delta tf upon m. But at the same time he will put the value first equation, and then he's saying that ki kf is we are molality is going to double to delta tf upon 2m, and then he will divide, compare these two equations. First one, this one he will take a first, this is the second. If he will divide, to it will get double. If he will done like that, so this is a wrong answer. So you need to remember that the kf is a proportionality constant, it is independent. The kf is proportionality constant, it is independent, it is independent. So that the molar depression constant kf will be unchanged is the correct answer. So whenever the student is doing the examination, they remember that this is the formula, we need to do like that. But this is wrong way to understand. At the same time you need to remember which formula, what is the constant value, you need to remember. The constant is always independent, it is not dependent. The another question, the want of factor for the dilute aqueous solution of the strong electrolyte. Here the term is a strong electrolyte is denoted. Strong electrolyte means which is 100% ionized. So now barium hydroxide, if you will write it here, so how you will break it? Barium will get a 2 positive charge and plus twice OH negative ion. At the same time, initially if you are taking 1 mole and the 0 0, and so that it is 100% ionized, so how many moles of this one you will get? 2, because the coefficient is a 2. That's why I will write here 2 ions. And the same way here is a, what is the coefficient? 1, and you will get the 0. So want of factor I is equal to, you know that total number of ions at the equilibrium, this is the equilibrium. So how many ions is the total number of ions in the equilibrium? 0 plus 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 divided by initial. What is the initial ion? 1. So that is equal to 3 by 1. That's equal to 3. So your correct answer will be a 3. Come to the same way, the next one question, we have which one of the following electrolytes has the same value of the want of factor I as Al2SO4 whole thrice. So they are asking Al2SO4 is 100% ionized. The same way, which one is the correct answer? So you need to remember that Al2SO4, if you are going to whole thrice, if you are going to ionize it, so you will get Al3 positive plus SO4 2 negative. And how many Al? You will write twice, here the 3. Because you no need to write again and again the same thing, because it's a completely ion. So after the equilibrium, how many ions are forming here? Total ions are formed 5. And initial 1 to 1. So you will get how much value of the I for this equation? This is the 5. Now the same way, if you are going to break this one, so you will get 2K positive plus SO4 2 negative. So how, what will be the I value here? I value will equal 3 because of 2 and this is the 1. The same way, if you are going to break this one, so thrice K positive plus FeCN whole 6, and you will get this is the 3 negative. So how many ion you get here? 3 and 1 this one. So I value will be a 4. The next one, Al3 positive plus thrice NO3, and this will be a negative. So how many ions you will get here? You will get a 4. So obviously this you will get 4K positive plus FeCN whole 6 and a 4 negative. So 4 value of K and 1 value of this FeCN, so you will get I value is equal to 5. So initially Al2SO4 also I value 5. This one is a 5. So which one is your correct answer? Correct answer will be a 4. Fourth one. Now come to the next one. The question is totally depends on the KH value, and the KH value is means Henry law. If you remember that Henry law, if you remember that if the temperature is going to increase, the KH value also is going to increase. And so that solubility solubility is decreases. Clear my point? But here in this question they have written the same value of the temperature. We are not going to see this temperature. So what you will see only the KH value and the solubility. So what is mean that if your KH value, Henry constant value is increasing, so solubility is going to decrease. So according to this rule, if you will see that here, which one is the largest value? The 40.3 means it's a least soluble. So I can say that this value is a maximum. So this is least soluble. Where is the least soluble means argon. So argon is either one option or either a two option. So this and this one I'm going to directly cancel it. The same time, CO2 and CH4, we need to compare only the CO2 value and the CH4. So which one is a larger value, greater value? CO2. So CO2 is a greater value means less soluble. Less soluble. So now which one will be the correct answer? Which one is the less soluble? CO2. So your answer will be a 1. So HCHO has least value of KH. So it's a more soluble. Now come to the last fifth question. Today I will discuss only the 5 question, and the tomorrow again we will discuss initially with the 5 question. Now the mass of the non-volatile solute, molar mass they have given. The molar mass they have given. I think they will ask. I'm taking that mass of the non-volatile solute X. They will ask this one. That should be dissolved in a 114 gram of octane. What is the formula of the octane? C8H18. So what will be the molar mass? You can calculate that. C8 means 12 into 8 plus 1 into 18. So you will get 96 plus 18. Then again it is again 114. The vapor pressure is reduced. Vapor pressure reduced to 80% would be. So now, as you know that the formula P naught minus PS is upon P naught is equal to N of solute upon N of solvent. If you will see that here N of solute plus N of solvent we can write, but solute is a very dilute, so directly I am writing here N of solvent. So N is a number of moles. So number of moles of the solvent, how many we have? So gram weight we don't have. X upon molar mass of solute given 40. Divided by solvent, the given mass is 114. Divided by molar mass we have calculated 114. And the P naught, it reduced to 80%. If I am saying the initial pressure was 100 and it reduced to 80, so this will be become 80 upon 100. That is equal to, this one will cut, so you will get X upon 40. So how much you will get? 20 upon 100 is equal to X upon 40. 5 times 1 upon 5. So you will get X value equal to 40 divided by 5. Then X is equal to 8 gram. So your answer will be a C. Please, if you like it, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.